Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do advanced math. So 2 plus 2 minus 2 equals 4. So 2 plus 2 minus 2 equals 2. So after a lot of TikTok dances, I decided it's time for a Fortnite dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, All Might, for being the first one to request it. Now, this is an easy Fortnite dance, but I'm still gonna break it into 2 parts because I wanna make sure that anyone can follow along and can learn this dance. Now, if you are a fast learner, you can always skip to the full dance preview and run through. Alright, now let's start with the preview of part 1. So it goes. Wow. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, let me break down part 1. So you want to turn your body facing your right corner, but then you want to look here to the front. Now, bring your left arm up like this, and then you want to take your right arm and go plus sign. And then from here you want to bring it up slightly and then down. Pretty simple, right? So again, from here you want to say plus sign, slightly up, bring it down. From here, let's just do the legs. You want to jump on your right like that, kicking your left out to the left side, yeah? So let's just turn back here to facing our right corner. Now you want to jump on your right, kicking your left out. Here, you want to switch side and do jump on left, kick right out to the right side. Let's just do the jump part. So we want to say from here, jump on right, jump on left. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump on right, jump on left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump on right, jump on left. Alright, now the arms are gonna say the left goes up, yeah? So from here, the arms is gonna come out and say swing back in. And then I'm gonna do the same with my right here that I just dropped. I wanna say wow. So basically the arms are saying left, swing, in, right, swing, in. You know, actually, let's just practice this one last time. So from here, 5, 6, so we're gonna go whoop and whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoop and whoop. Alright, now let's try to combine it with the legs. So on the first jump, jumping on your right, you want to say left, and then you want to say switch opposite. So let's start with this actually. Yeah? So you want to say wow. 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to go wow. Yeah? Let's just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Alright, now let's try to do 1 and switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, switch. Alright, so those are the minus signs. So from the tip top, we go up, down, jump on right, jump on left. Alright, so jump on right, jump on left. Now from here, you want to say jump out on both legs. Let me just show you that again. I'm here on my left. Now I'm going to jump up on both legs. Okay? Now the arms are saying up, down. It's a cross. It's the multiply sign here. And we went from whoop, whoop. So the right arm is up. Now you want to say bring both arms up, cross, and down. So when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. You're on your left, right arm is up. You want to go jump, up, and down. Let's try that again. On your left, jump out on both legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down. Now from here, you want to do, this goes up because we want to do the divide here. So your left is going to say like that. Your right is going to say punch up, punch under. So from here, cross, you want to say punch, over, under. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, punch, over, under. Yeah, if you want, you can even do a bounce. So what I mean by bounce, I want to say whoop, whoop, up and down. Yeah, so when I pull down on the cross here, my knees are slightly bent, and when I punch over, I want to go back up, and then I want to bend back down. Yeah, so you want to say whoop, 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 up, down. Let's just try that. The arm goes whoop, whoop, up, down. 5, 6, 7. You know what? Let's do cross, over, under. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, down, over, under. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross and over, under. Okay, now let's practice with the jump. So let's stand on our left. Our right leg is out here, and then our right arm is up. And then we want to say jump out on both legs, cross, down, and then we want to say hit over, under. Let's try that. So from here, on our left leg, right arm is up. We want to say wah, 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 wah. So we're going to count to 8, and then we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, down, over, under. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump up, down, over, under. Alright, now let's take it from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So it goes facing your right corner here. You wanna say left up, right up, plus sign. You wanna go slightly up, down. From here, you wanna jump on right, swing your left arm, and then opposite. From here, you wanna say jump out on both legs, cross, pull down. Then you want to hit with your right arm over, under. Okay, now let's practice. Facing your right corner, just have your left arm up like that. And then you want to say 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go plus, down, jump on right, swing left arm, whoop. Now the opposite, whoop. And now jump on out on both legs, X, down. And then you want to say right, swing over, under. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slightly up, jump on right, swing left, opposite, whoop, jump out on both legs, X, bring it down, hit over, under. Let's just try one last time, slightly faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 1, jump right, swing left, left swing right, and then both arms, whoop, hit over, under. Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just show you a quick preview of what we're gonna learn. So right after end of part 1, we go wah, 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 hey, wah, 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 and up, repeat, dance. Okay, so let me break down part 2. Obviously, the legs is gonna be the difficult part. I think that anyone can do this, right? So let me break down the legs. We want to practice saying, so legs are apart because we just did this in the part 1. Now the legs are going to say, bring your right in with the left. So we're going to call that gather. And then we're going to take the left leg and go behind. And then we're going to call that behind. Now we're going to say, take your right leg back. We're going to call that back. So when we practice, we're going to say, gather, behind, back. So again, bringing your right in, I'm gonna say gather, left leg goes behind, right leg goes back. So let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, gather, left, back, right, back. Let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, gather, left, behind, right, back. A bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, gather, left, behind, right, back. Alright, so from right back, you want to take a big step with your left to your left. So you're going to go boom, here. Yeah? So I'm not going to do straight legs like this. We're gonna go down and gather. Yeah, take a big step with your left and then gathering with your right. So we're gonna say left, right. Let's just try that again. We're gonna go left, right. So your legs are already spread just a bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right. From there, you wanna almost repeat it. You wanna take your left behind, whoop, and then right goes right next to it. And then you wanna say left to the right. Yeah, so now we're facing this right corner, getting ready to repeat the dance. All right, so let's just rewind a bit. So the first part we practiced was gather right, bring left behind, bring right behind. Now the new part is saying big step with your left, boom, right in, now left behind, just like we did before, and then right next to it, so we're gonna call this gather, and then left to the front. Okay, let's just practice this new bit of part 2, last bit of part 2. So the legs are just slightly spread here. Now you wanna say big step with your left, whoop, bring them right in, gather, so left behind, right, gather, left to the front. Let's just try that. So we're gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, big step, gather, behind, gather, front. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, big step, right, in, left, behind, right, gather, left, front. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go big step, right, gather, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go big step left, right, gather, left, behind, right, gather, and left to the front. Okay guys, now let's do the whole thing here. So, right after here, let's just focus on the legs. You want to bring right in, gather, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, right, gather, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front. Okay, let's try that a bit slower maybe. So I'm gonna count to 8 and we're gonna start. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, gather, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, right, in, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front. Okay, we're gonna need to practice this 1,000 times. Let's just try it again a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, gather, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, right, in, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, gather, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, right, in, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front. I would recommend just to practice on your own a few times, pause the video, and then we can continue afterwards. Okay, so once you're ready, let's try to do this as well. Yeah, so the left is on top, right is below here. So let's try to do it with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna gather with the right. 5, 6, 7. Actually, you know what? We ended here, end of part 1. The right arm is saying over, under. Now, basically what we just need to do is say, boom, yeah, so I'm going from here to here. And I keep doing this. I do it once every time I take a step, so I want to say, gather, step behind, back, yeah, so every time I do something with my legs, I do this. Except for the last step, then I go out, and then I can repeat the dance. All right, let's just try and practice that. So, you know what, let's start from here. So I'm gonna 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go gather, behind, back, big step, gather, behind, gather to the front, and then up, in. Yeah, so basically just gather with my right at the end when I do this. And then I can repeat the dance. Okay, let's just try that one more time. So, from here, whoop, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go gather, behind, back, big step, gather, behind, gather to the front, and up. Whoa. Alright, one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go gather, behind, back, big step, gather, behind, gather to the front, and repeat. Okay guys, now let's tie everything together. So part 1 and part 2, the full dance. I'm gonna start with a preview, then we're gonna do a run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick preview, it goes here. 1, plus, minus, minus, cross, down, over, under, gather, behind, back, big step, gather, behind, gather to the front, and repeat things. Okay, so let me do a quick run through. So facing your right corner here, have your left arm up like that. You want to say your right comes up, and then you want to say bring it up, down. From here you want to jump on right, swing your left arm, then do the opposite, jump on left, swing right arm. From here we want to jump on both legs, whoop, cross, bring it down. Then you want to say hit with your right, over, under. From here you want to say arms are doing this every time you take a step. Now you want to say gather with the right, left goes behind, right goes back, and we're going to take a big step with the left. Whoop, gather with the right, left goes behind again, and then gather with the right, and then to the front with the left. And then you want to say repeat the dance. Wah, wah, and so on. Alright, now let's practice. So, we're gonna start slow and then we're gonna gradually speed up. So, facing your right corner, I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna go whoop, whoop, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go plus, sign. Jump on the right, swing left, opposite, boom. Now on both legs, cross, down, hit with the right, over, under, now gather right, in, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, whoop, right, in, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front, and repeat the dance. Try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go plus, here, jump on right, swing left, opposite, hop, both legs, boom, cross, down, hit, over, under, now gather, right, left, behind, right, back, left, big step, right, gather, left, behind, right, gather, left to the front, and repeat the dance. Alright, let's try one last time guys. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go plus, sign, and jump, both legs, down, hit, over, under, gather, behind, back, big step, gather, behind, gather to the front, repeat. So as always, you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the advanced map emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.